Okay, so I did it. During the Sephora sale, I went ahead and bought the GHD Curve Wand. Guys, I have been wanting to try this sucker for a long time. So I thought with the Sephora sale, what a time it is to just break the bank. And I did. So here we are, got the wand, secured the product, and I tried it once already. So I thought I'd do a video to show you guys how I use it and just kind of walk through a little bit of a review, my thoughts, also have a little chit chat. So stick around, let's chat, let's curl some hair and see how this sucker works, because she costs a pretty penny. So here is the wand, and it has a 1-inch base, and then it gets to 0.9 inches towards the tip here. So it's tapered, which means thicker at the base, thinner towards the tip. And it has the tip here that you can hold on to because it does not heat up. And it comes with this lovely little stand that you can put on any surface, so you can place the hot wand on a surface without burning that surface. So really great while you're using the wand, and also while it's cooling. It has a pretty long cable, which I was happy about, and it heats up super quick, and it gets to like 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really hot. It also comes with this glove, which I haven't used yet, because the first time I used this product, I said to myself, you're not gonna be a chump and use the glove. You're going to burn your skin off your fingers just to get the experience. And I did burn some skin off my fingers, but we're fine now. We've gotten through that. Here she is. And it's supposed to help so you can hold the barrel and hold your hair closer to the barrel without burning the tips of your finger like I did the first time. I did want to talk about the automatic safety feature that this one has. So if you had it on for 30 minutes and you have not used it in the last 30 minutes, it will automatically shut itself off, which is a nice little safety feature. But I have not tested this out yet because I am a paranoid individual. I am someone that will check 3 times before leaving the house if I have unplugged all of like my straightener or my wand, whatever I used. I will check 3 times and I will lock the door, and I will still come back sometimes to quadruple check, because that's how paranoid I am. That's how my anxiety functions, and it just helps me thrive. I'm going to turn it on, and it heats up super fast. Like, I press that, and once that stops blinking, it means it is ready to be used. And it's gonna get there any second. It's super quick. So there's 2 ways that I actually use this. I can start the curls really high near my root. This will give me more volume. It's ready. Or I can curl one strand towards my face and the next one away from my face. This gives it a more PC look. There's also the option to, when you curl the hair, to curl even the bottom of your hair all the way around. This will give you more of a ringlet look. I like the more PC look, so I like to leave the bottom of my hair out when I curl it, which I will show you. So let's start sectioning off the hair and start doing this. I section off my hair in 3 chunks. So I do 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Here's how it is sectioned off. And at the back, because I have shorter hair, I don't really curl the bottom part. I just start halfway up and start curling those suckers up. Okay, so here we go. Wand is hot and ready. Let's begin. So the way I like to hold this wand is I always angle it down, because you want the thicker or the larger part of the curl closer to the root, and then it gets smaller or narrower as it gets down to the base of the hair. So I take, honestly, I'm not super picky with how big of a chunk of hair I take, but it's usually around 1/2 inch, and I curl it away from my face. So I do 1 and bada bing. And I like to leave the end out so it stays straight, and I hold it for about 8 seconds. And then I will just let it fall down. So there is one little curl. It's really cute. And then I'll take the next piece and I'll just go around and again leave the bottom of my hair out and just hold it for about 8 seconds. At the back, I do the same thing. I just start with one piece and I curl it away from this side of my face. So basically the same thing as the front, and just keep the last bit of my hair out. And there we go. This is for the hand that you actually hold the hair with, so you don't burn the skin off your fingers. So it goes like this. And you can get a little closer with your hair, especially if you want to curl in the bottom, like your hair all the way around it. This really helps from burning off the skin on your fingers. It looks a little crazy, but it'll be good. It'll be good. In the end, it's going to be cute. I found that if I hold it for 8 to 10 seconds, the curl even lasts a bit longer. You also have the option when you pull out the wand to pull on your hair if you want to make sure that it's not as curly. My hair doesn't always hold the curl that great, but I find that with this wand, the curl does last longer than with other curling irons that I've tried. So you can pull on it if you want. And there's the last one. Oh, look at that. Poof, look at that volume. So now I'm going to turn it off, and you just hold it and the beep tells you it's off. The one thing about this wand, it takes so long to cool down. So long. Like at least a half an hour. So be prepared. Like, I will not leave the house if this is not completely cooled down, but that's just me. Those are my issues, not yours. But yeah, I will wait until it's completely cool, even if I unplugged it, and then I will leave. Just the paranoia, it's powerful with me. So now I can start. I just run my fingers through the curls, and I just think it's so cute. So you get a more of a ringlet look, but the hair will fall a little bit. I just think it's so nice, and it looks so cute, and it gives such nice volume. Now, because of my hair type, I will need to put some hairspray in this just to make sure that it lasts. But other than that, I think the curl lasts really well. And then like I have a different look the next day because the curls do kind of start to straighten out a little bit, but they have this like beachy look to them day 2. So it definitely, day 3, it's got to be washed. But for day 2, like this could last for a 2-day look for me. So this is how much I like to pull it out. You can, of course, go in with a brush and just brush them out a little bit more. I like the piecey look, but let's just, since we started with the brush, let's do that. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the back. Sometimes I will put a little bit of styling wax in my hair, especially on the ends, if I want to have more of that piecey look. I find that that really helps. And sometimes I will add also a bit of that wax throughout my hair, just through some of the pieces, just to make them a bit more piecey. I would say you should use a hair protectant before you put this on. I had one in already, so just make sure you put some sort of hair heat protectant product before you put this in, because it is really hot. Final thoughts. I really like this product. I like how it helps my hair hold on to that curl for longer. So this is what it will look like today, and then tomorrow it will be a bit more straightened out, but it will still have that beachy wave to it, which I will really like. So I can get 2-day wear out of this without having to retouch my hair. Some pros, it does heat up super fast, which I really like. Within seconds after you turn it on, it's ready to go. And I like the safety feature that it has. So if you do leave this product on for 30 minutes and you haven't used it at all, it will automatically shut itself off. So I really love that feature. Some cons, it is pricey. It's $260. So yeah, it's a pricier item. And also it takes a really long time to cool down. Yeah, like 20 minutes or so. So just be ready for that. Keep that in mind. And I don't know if this is a con because I figured it out pretty quickly, but at first I didn't understand how to use it. Like my curls just weren't looking right. And it was because I was holding the wand upwards and curling it around upwards. That's just user error, obviously. That's on me. But as long as you hold the barrel facing down, so the thicker part is closer to the root of your hair and the part that tapers out, so the thinner part is closer to the bottom of your hair, you'll get a really nice curl and it'll just look really good. So I like to curl it away from my face, like I said, but you can do curling it away from your face for one strand, curling it the next one, the next strand you curl towards your face. So really there's lots of options you can do. There's lots of ways to use this product, to have fun with it. So yeah, I definitely really love it and I will be using this more. So get ready to see a little bit more of these curls on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have tried this product and what your thoughts were. Let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make or any other products you'd like me to review. I would love to hear from you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit that subscribe button to see what videos I come up with next. Thank you again so much and I will see you guys next time.